how to edit videos in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to edit videos on your iPhone using iOS 18. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your skills, you're in the right place. So first thing first, open up your photos and then choose the video that you want to edit. And then on the bottom you will see edit option, so it looks like some sliders and there's three lines. Just tap on it and it will access the editing tools. Here you can adjust the frame by tapping on crop and cropping the video if you want to. You can even rotate the video. Use the option on the top left and then you can rotate the video however you want, and then go back to filters. There you can choose various filters according to your wish. Choose a filter that you want. However, if you can't choose a filter, you can just go to adjust and then tap on auto, and the auto will enhance your video itself. This is for automatic enhancements by manually adjusting settings like exposure, highlights, and shadows. However, if you don't like the auto option, then you can go to the exposure, the highlights, and increase and decrease it yourself. And that's it. After that, you can just tap on done and then the video will be edited according to your wish. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.